In this video, I'll answer the question, why is Kajabi so expensive? See, you're about to discover the bait and switch tactics used by some shady online platforms, how Kajabi reduces the stress and anxiety of building a business online, and what to watch for when selecting a platform for your online business. And be sure to watch until the end of this video because in a moment, I'll answer the question, why cheaper alternatives to Kajabi cost more than they claim. I'm Dex Williams, and I've been helping others to market and sell their knowledge online since 2007 via services, memberships, digital products, you name it. I've noticed a variety of platforms over that time period, but one that stood out has been Kajabi, and I became a founding member of Kajabi in 2015. Now, the bait and switch problem with platforms has been one that has plagued almost every single person that I've helped. Some online sales and marketing platforms claim they have features which actually need a third-party integration to work. So what do I mean? Well, you'll see a platform say that they have video hosting or email marketing or surveys and forms or you name it, they'll claim they have it. But it actually turns out that you'll have to pay additional fees with another provider and they simply integrate with that provider. That's not quite the same. So why is Kajabi so expensive? Well, first off, they provide unlimited content and video hosting. So whether it's your downloadable files, your membership content, your website pages, your images, you name it, it is unlimited. There's no hidden cost, no excessive use that gets poured on to your billing by surprise. You get this with every single level of their pricing plans, including video hosting. A lot of people will say, well, Kajabi is so expensive, but they don't factor in that you are getting unlimited video hosting through Wistia, one of the premium video providers, which means you don't have to pay a monthly fee to Vimeo or host your videos on YouTube, which might have a poorer experience for your visitors and your students. Another thing that Kajabi provides is up to 100,000 email contacts with unlimited marketing emails. Almost no other platform provides this quantity of marketing accessibility. Normally, you would have to pay a third party like a MailChimp or an ActiveCampaign or a Clivio or whatever it is. And you're talking about hundreds of dollars a month for up to 100,000 email contacts, which comes by default in the Kajabi pricing plans. And last but not least, you have your advanced automations. This is all of the different features, such as if someone lands on a certain page or a membership post, you tag them or you trigger an automation to send out emails that follow up with them based on the action that they took. And almost no other platform can do this because they don't have email integration native to the platform to allow for that kind of automation. So why is Kajabi so expensive? It's because you don't have to worry about all of those hidden fees that the quote unquote cheaper alternatives to Kajabi do. Right? This means cheaper alternatives to Kajabi cost more once you add up all the advantages that Kajabi provides in their regular pricing plan. This means that you can focus on simply building your business instead of trying to Frankenstein a solution together from different platforms and services. So that being said, which Kajabi feature will be the most helpful to you? Comment below. I'm genuinely curious. And if you want more videos featuring Kajabi updates and strategies, make sure to hit that like button, push that subscribe button, and ring that notification bell so that you get notified every time a new video gets released. And be sure to watch this other Kajabi video right now.